Right here I have some amazing casual shorts that you're looking for. What's up guys, my name is TJ. Today I'm going to be reviewing these casual cotton shorts. I'm 5'11", 150 pounds. I ended up getting the size medium and I do think that they fit great. Now these are really nice because they're super comfortable. They're really lightweight and breathable, so if you're going to be sweating, it's going to wick away that sweat. Definitely something I'd play like pickleball, tennis, basketball in, or just lounge around the house, daily wear. Couple key features that I do like about these is you do get the drawstring up top. A little bit of brown accents, that's pretty cool. And we get some cool detail in the actual pull drawstring, so you can just let these hang if you want to. These are gonna come right above my knees, so I think it does come to a good length. We're also gonna have zipper pockets, which again is gonna make it great for sports. You can fit a 6.5-inch phone in here, zip them right up. We have a nice little pull tab on here, so easy open, easy close. And we also get a pocket in the rear. The pocket in the rear isn't huge, but it definitely can be useful and does not have a zipper on it. Now, these are gonna be made with a 70% cotton, a 25% polyester, and a 5% spandex, so it's gonna give it a nice four-way stretch all the way throughout, making these really comfortable. Now, these do have elastic on the top too, so if you do leave these drawstrings open, it's still gonna have a really nice fit and just very comfortable to wear. So you can use this for just about anything. These come in a bunch of different colors, makes it a great choice to have in your closet, something to wear around the house, or making this perfect to wear hanging out, playing some sports and doing some activities. These are amazing. They feel amazing on the skin, super comfortable. I highly recommend these shorts. Go and check out all the other colors they have to offer. Add these to your Amazon cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.